Here is what no one tells you about money making in the stock market. It is how the rich people are building their wealth. Like it is what is making them wealthy. But you don't know, and I'm here to tell you. In today's video, I'm going to share with you 5 stocks you can buy massively in the next 90 days, meaning from now to the next 90 days. And this is what I call passive income. Drum roll. So welcome, besties, to my YouTube channel. Of course, if this is your first time, hey, hi, welcome. This channel, I teach you how to make money, how to save money, how to multiply your money through the stock market. So you are my girl, you are my guy. The next thing I want you to know is you need to know this information early, because that is why I am here to show you the 5 stocks you can buy massively in the next 90 days. So keep them on your radar so that when you see them in the ranges I'll be giving you, you will know it's time to pounce and eat. Okay, so if you stay to the end of this video, I will show you all the stocks you need to keep on your watch list for a potential 50% return and up to 100%. Trust me, this is a jam-packed video, and as usual, I love to start my video with the topic so you know whether you should stay or whether you should leave. Why? Because I want you to know this is the kind of content that will make you money. So warm welcome. But before I go on, please smash the like button for me, drop a nice comment. But first, you need to watch this video to the end and also subscribe to this YouTube channel because it helps us to get more visible so that more people will learn how to make money in the stock market. So if you're ready, let's dive into the topic. But I'm going to share with you what I'm doing this year differently. You know, we have our money community. So this is called the Julius Money Team 50 to 100% Return Challenge. This is how it works. First of all, you have to get yourself into our money community, the VIP community, okay? And then we help you to set up your savings app. We help you to set up your investing apps. You know the right one with how much you have, what will work for you. There is no one strategy for everybody, but there is one that fits into what you should do. Then you learn our rinse and repeat special strategy. And then I help you to set up your 3 pillar stock. You should have them in your portfolio, all right? Give you early retirement plan, pay off debt plan, and then long-term plans. So these are the things we're doing in our community, which is amazing. How do you do this? Joining our money community, the VIP community. The link is in the description. You need to click on that link today and help yourself this 2025, because in this year we are making money. This is the year we are securing our money bag. All right, so let's take it off. Now, one of the things I love about stock market and making money in the stock market is this strategy I call the buy low, sell high strategy, meaning getting a stock somewhere around here, maybe it's like $10, and then it runs to $20 and maybe makes a pullback and runs to 25 and then gets to $30, and you have made 2 times the value of your money. There is nothing as knowing that money can come naturally with the things you can do and the things I teach you. So it starts by you getting the good foundation, and it starts with knowledge. That is what we do in the community. So don't miss joining the community. Let's dive into today's topic. So I'm going to be showing you stocks 5. Probably I'll give a bonus. Maybe if you beg me, don't mind me. So I'm going to share 5 stocks, but there's something I want you to know. When you're looking at buy low and sell high, one of the things I look out for is stocks that are beaten down or that have pulled back. So imagine right now you're walking to a store. Okay, so that's why I had to pull up this picture. You walk into a store and you realize that your cream or a particular dress you've been eyeing, they are running sales and it's on 50% or 40% or 30% discount. I'm sure you just bring your phone and start pressing. What do I need to take off my list so I can buy this dress? This is a good opportunity. That is what happens when some stocks begin to pull back. They are creating opportunities, but a lot of people who don't understand the game will start panicking, and that is when we pounce into it. So, good red days. I teach people in my community that red days are good opportunities. Every pullback is always a time to eat. When there is blood on the streets, that is a good time to shop. You go and buy so that when that 20% begins to retrace back, you're already 20% off. You got it? Okay, so let's move on. I'm going to talk about these five stocks: SoFi, AMDL, Estée Lauder, Nvidia, and Palantir. Okay, in no particular order. Forget my fine picture. Let's get into the chart because I like to show you the real deal. So hang in a second. Let's do this. Okay, so this is SoFi, right? SoFi is ticker symbol SOFI. SoFi is a fintech app. I've talked about the stock in some of my videos, so I'm not going to do much about it. But if you're using this app called Weibo, you can go to profile and look up about the stock and know what they do. So, but we're looking at the chart today. So this stock, we bought it last year. It actually returned 100% last year. In fact, more than 100%, 200% and above. We bought this stock at $7, and this stock ran to 17. My God. So you imagine getting a stock. You see, when I talked about buying low and selling high. So there's something else we teach the community called profit taking. A smart way to take profit and keep your money running. You should be in this community. You'll thank me later. All right. So this stock started pulling back. And remember, right now, a lot of stocks are pulling back. And there's a reason. We know the the Trump re-election inauguration day is coming, 20th of January. So a lot of stocks are going to pull up towards that day. So every pullback you're seeing, this is my plan. I told you that you should keep this stock on your radar. If you see this stock, get into this my range. You see this 13.5 down to $12 or even lower to 10. The more I see it drop, the more I will buy the stock. And imagine buying it at $10 and riding it back to 17. This stock is definitely going to hit 20, but it's not in a hurry. So if you buy it, you don't think it's going to make that move in like 1 week. Look at this move. It took it from September to get to this. So understand the rules. That is why you need the knowledge. So the next one I'm going to talk about, like I said, in no particular order, is Palantir. Palantir was a stock I feel bad for because I bought it at 20, I sold it at 30, and I didn't know this stock was going to run to 84. So sometimes it happens. So right now I'm grabbing the opportunity. What am I doing? I'm looking into the range of 60s. So if I see it anywhere around here, you can see where I'm pointing this cursor, somewhere around here. Anything below 60, I'm buying some back. All right. So this is a stock you need to keep under your radar. I'm going to make this video short, sweet, and simple so you can get the information. Buy low, sell high. Buy low, sell high. Now it's dropping. This stock is dropping and is going to do a lot of wonders. So that is why I am interested in this stock. The next stock I'm going to talk about is AMD. I've really talked about this stock so many times that I have seen people in this particular YouTube family telling me they are really buying it. They're already buying it. This is a stock. You can see where I put my first block of, if it crosses and goes down, I will start buying. Now this stock touched 117. I'm going to tell you something. This stock may likely get into 110 in the next few days. And if he does that, it is a good time to grab more. This stock is a stock for the future. This is the kind of stock you will buy. You go and cross your leg and wait it out. They will give you massive return. See, this stock used to be around 200. Imagine getting it as cheap as it is now. So you can see that the other stocks, they've hit their top and they were dropping gradually. But this is almost like they have finished dropping, but maybe a little more drop before they begin to make their upside move. So this is a stock that if you buy, please be willing to have the patience to wait for it, so that when you do that, in fact, I used to tell people this stock needs time to manifest. Why? It is a semiconductor stock, and AI, semiconductor chips for games, for computers, servers, data centers. It's a lot. This is stock for the future. So assuming you don't know what else to do with money, you can just buy this stock and relax. And even when it goes further lower, you don't need to be worried at all. Okay, so that is it for this stock. If you do not have enough money, you can buy the ETF of it, the AMDL. This is super cheap. I have been buying it since it dropped below 8, and this stock can run back to 17. Just imagine getting this stock at $8 and running up to 17. Okay. Now the third one I'm going to talk about is the one I love. Everybody knows this stock. I love this stock. Nvidia. Nvidia is the king of AI, the one and only number one in the world right now. Okay, I think Microsoft number one. This is number two, but this stock has been doing magic. Look at this. This stock is coming down. So if you have an opportunity to buy it around 133, grab it. This stock is going to retest this 153. So let me bring it to 1 hour so you can see this 153. This stock is going to come back to retest this 153, and it will definitely get into 160. This stock is going to touch 180. When it happens, I'll be here. I'm going to come back and tell us that it happened. So this is it. This is it for Nvidia. So which one have I missed? I think Esther Lauder. So this is for my girlies, okay? This is for all the people that I know that are makeup, anybody that is into skincare. Estee Lauder perfumes, they are really, really known for perfumes. This stock has been doing absolutely wonderful. And recently, something happened and they dropped. So this is the kind of stock that when they drop, people rush to buy it. Why? There is something about this stock that they are rushing. So this stock, I actually missed it when it touched 62. So I'm hoping that it will come into the 70 or 69 range. I would really love to get it, and I will give it time. These are the kind of stocks you buy and you will go and rest. Okay. So which other one have I missed? I'm just trying to think now. I've not missed any, so probably I'm going to give a bonus. And the bonus is Google. This is a solid company, and I love this stock so much, so much. So whenever it pulls back into the 190s, 180s sweet spot, even coming down to 170, it may likely come back to retest this 177. Maybe it may take like a month, wherever, but keep it in your radar. So this is the bonus. I do hope you are happy with what I have done for you today. So let's wrap it up, okay? Let's wrap up. Now, we have a lower body, a lower class foundation, which is the 10,000 naira class, stock to wealth. So, assuming you don't have money to join the VIP, the VIP has a lot of benefit, but if you don't have money to do that, please start with the basics. A lot of times people start with the basic and they upgrade into the VIP. You are welcome. I know you're enjoying this. I know because it's money making things. It's how to make passive income. Thank you so much for watching. Don't forget to like, tell me the stock you want to buy out of all the ones I've mentioned. And please share this video. I'm sure there are people who have money, they don't know what to do with their money. They can send the money to work for them. Banks will never, never give you that amount. But stocks, they're going to give you when you pick the right stocks. And I have shared with you some of the solid good stocks. I hope you had fun with me learning. Have a great day. And the next video that is coming up is going to blow your mind. Trust me when I say that. So take care. Bye.